Want to create your own custom sound on Snapchat and reuse it anytime? Here's how to make your own sound on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You can either record a new video or upload a video from your camera roll. For this tutorial, I'll upload a video. Once your video is ready, tap Add Sound at the top of the screen. A music menu will appear. Swipe left at the top and tap My Sounds. Now tap Create Sound. You can either upload audio from your camera roll or record a sound using your microphone. Tap the microphone icon and record anything you want. When you're done, tap Stop. Give your sound a name. Then tap Save. Your custom sound is now saved. Tap on it to apply it to your video, then post it to your story or send it to friends. And that's it. You've successfully created your own sound on Snapchat. Like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips.